Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code is P0063, which means your car's computer detected a problem with the oxygen sensor heater circuit. Now, fixing this yourself can be a bit tricky, but it's not impossible. So, we'll break down what the code means and what you can try at home. But remember, if things get complicated, it's always best to consult a mechanic. P0063 indicates a low voltage in the heater circuit for oxygen sensor number 3 on bank 2. Most cars have 2 banks of cylinders, and bank 2 is usually on the side with cylinder number 2. Oxygen sensors help regulate air-fuel mixture, and the heater ensures they reach operating temperature quickly. Here are some signs to watch out for. Illuminated check engine light, decreased fuel efficiency, increased emissions, rough idling, reduced engine performance. Tools you'll need: wrench set, socket set depending on sensor location, multimeter optional. For testing, replacement oxygen sensor, consult your car's manual for the right part. Safety first. Always work on a cool car and park on a level surface. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for electrical safety. Before diving in, check for any loose or damaged wiring around the oxygen sensor. Look for exhaust leaks near the sensor as well, which can mess with readings. If the wiring seems okay, we can suspect a faulty sensor or a blown fuse. Consult your car's repair manual to locate the fuse for the oxygen sensor heater circuit and check it with a tester. Locating the sensor. Refer to your car's repair manual to find the exact location of bank to sensor 3. It's usually screwed into the exhaust pipe near the catalytic converter. Visual inspection. Once you find it, check the wiring harness for any damage or corrosion. Look for burnt or melted connectors. If the wiring seems okay, we can move on to the next step. Replacing the sensor. Use the appropriate wrench or socket to remove the faulty sensor. Be careful, it might be tight. Screw in the new sensor hand tight first, then tighten it with the wrench following the recommended torque specifications. Refer to the manual. Reconnect the wiring harness. Once you've replaced the sensor or fixed the wiring, use your OBDI scanner to clear the P0063 code. Then test drive your car and see if the code comes back. If you're not comfortable replacing the sensor yourself, or if the fix doesn't clear the code, don't hesitate to take your car to a trusted mechanic. They can diagnose the problem accurately and get your car running smoothly again. Thanks for joining me. I hope this video helped you understand and potentially fix the P0063 code. Remember, if things get too complex, a mechanic is always there to help. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips.